Just before 3:30 Thursday afternoon, reports of a fire, 1200 block of Circle Drive in Neosho. Neosho Fire extinguished active interior flames, and they were on the scene investigating, checking for extension in the walls and attic. They went upstairs and opened the attic. Heavy conditions were found, and the attic flashed, causing the entire attic to catch fire. Crews evacuated the structure due to flashover conditions and began an aggressive exterior attack. No firefighters were injured. The family was out safely. The family dog did perish. The cause of the fire determined accidental. It initiated in the downstairs kitchen. Click the bit link for updates. This breaking news story in Neosho. I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now, Joplin News First.